When we first looked at the original Edifier GM4 a couple of months back, it was one of my go-to recommendations when it comes to gaming earbuds, and it has one of the lowest latency when it comes to gaming.
Calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up. We're talking about nothing. Then you said something.
The stem style earbuds or Airpods style earbuds are not the most flattering style of earbuds for most people, and fortunately Edifier is addressing that market with their latest innovation. So will this be any good? Welcome to a review of the Edifier Hecate GM4 Mini1.
You keep telling me that it's all over.
Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Edifier Hecate GM4 Mini. The Hecate series of earbuds are Edifier's range of gaming earbuds, and they have proved themselves to be a pretty reliable range of earbuds. The previous GM4 that we've reviewed was a very impressive pair, but the stem was not for everyone. I personally bought these earbuds for about 199 Malaysia ringgit, and that translates to about US 50, so these are exactly the same price as the original GM4. And it's really great to see Edifier not charging a premium for something new. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. The Edifier GM4 Mini1 is designed with one principle in mind: to retain the amazing design and performance of the original GM4, but with a newer look that might appeal to a wider audience. When you first take the Mini out of the box, you'll notice the weight a little, as I think now Edifier is cramping the same amount of technology and a bigger battery into a smaller body, which makes the body feel a little bit dense, which is a very nice feeling overall. The top of the case, you get the nice Hecate logo, and this time it's in a nice copper mirror finish, which gives it a very nice look overall. Edifier also toned down the aggressiveness of these earbuds, and you can see that the line in the middle of the earbuds is more subtle and more mellow compared to the original GM4, which is very sharp. At the front of the case, Edifier kept the signature GM4 battery indicator with the same light blue LED that tells you the battery percentage of the case. This is the only AG gaming part of these earbuds, and at the back of the case you'll see a USB-C charging port, and the case, similar to the original, doesn't support wireless charging. Opening the case, you get a friction lid, and the lid does stay open for you to access your earbuds, and it doesn't slam shut on you. And if you're familiar with the GM4, you'll notice that the earbuds does not have any logo, and Edifier also kept that nice black gloss look where the logo only shines through when you take the earbuds out. On top of the earbuds, you get the GM logo on a piece of gloss black plastic. It's purely branding, and I wish that Edifier would have stuck a battery percentage indicator under that plastic, but well, all you get is a GM logo. Taking the earbuds out, you notice that the Mini shares the same look and form factor as the Edifier X3, and so if the X3 fits you nicely and you're looking for an upgrade, then these will definitely have the same comfort and fit compared with the X3. One area that the Mini is better than the original GM4 is in the battery department. The earbuds will give you the same 4 hours of continuous playback time, but instead of the 16 hours of total battery life, now you get 22 hours of total playback time, which gives you a 5.5 full charge cycles. The earbuds in the case takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. In terms of the Mini1's feature, we're getting pretty much the same technology, only in a smaller package. Edifier still puts the PixArt PAU160X Bluetooth 5.0 chipset that is specifically designed for gaming, and from experience we know it'll give you fantastic gaming latency performance at 65 milliseconds of latency. The Mini1 also comes with the same IPX5 water resistant rating that gives you very good protection from water. IPX5 is sufficiently good enough to protect you from regular sweating, water splashing, and even getting caught under the rain. Similar to its big brother, the Mini1 also allows you to use the earbuds in mono or stereo mode, and the execution from Edifier is really seamless, where you can freely swap around the earbuds with no problems and no breakage when swapping the earbuds. really great stuff there. For my test, there's no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, but you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. In terms of the sound signature, it still comes with 2 EQ settings similar to the original GM4, but because of the Mini uses a normal 6mm biological diaphragm instead of the old 5.8mm moving coil technology, I think it manages to push out nicer mids and high. When you go into gaming mode in the original GM4, the bass gets so overpowering that it basically takes over all the mids and highs. The Mini 1 also have the same bass boosted signature, but because it uses a different driver, the mids and highs are actually retained really nicely even in gaming mode. So as I've mentioned before, having the stronger bass effects in games like PUBG is actually a very nice experience. Everything just feels a lot more immersive. So if you're holding back on the original GM4 because of their bass boosted sound signature, now it's a good time to get the Mini 1. Call quality is also seeing an improvement here, and I've got a very good experience using them in calls for quiet and noisy environment. And I also noticed a slight suppression of background noises as well. Much better performance than Qualcomm CVC technology in this scenario. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see if the Edifier GM4 Mini is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
With the Pixar Bluetooth 5.0, I think it's safe to say that this version of the Hecate Gaming Earbuds really works. When in normal mode, there are no issues with latency when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix, and when you swap it over to gaming mode, there is close to no latency when gaming with these earbuds. I can't measure to see if it's 65 milliseconds, but I think for casual gaming, it definitely gets the job done. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem.
I think Edifier have kinda improved a little on their control scheme, just a little bit, and have added a little bit more controls to their earbuds. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply double tap on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. And to skip tracks forward or backwards, simply press and hold the right earbuds to skip forward. And to skip backwards, press and hold the left earbuds to skip backwards. To enter gaming mode, triple tap quickly on the right side of the earbuds and you will hear a prompt of a lady saying that you're in gaming or music mode. And lastly, to call out your assistant, triple tap on the left side of the earbuds and you can pause your media and call out your assistant. This is also where you can use your voice assistant to control the volume percentage of your phone. So if you're okay with talking to your assistant in public, then these earbuds actually have a pretty comprehensive controls. So that's all the controls you get with the Edifier Hecate GM4 Mini. All in all, if you've been holding back on the GM4 because of that stem, you can now get this Mini 1 with improved battery life as well as slightly better tuning on sound signature. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.